anyone who wants to go for like collaboration, I'm actually looking for some kind of like a business partner, no? Who wants to come along with us, no? Sa aming Canada tour. And if you are adventurous, have an entrepreneur mindset, trustworthy, no, yung mapagkakatiwalaan, and if you want to collaborate with us during our project, our plan sa Canada tour, no, pwede kayong mag-apply sa amin, no? Although we cannot assure you a full guaranteed salary, but this is a collaboration where pwedeng maging business partner kayo, whatever the return of investment to our project, magkakaroon kayo ng share, no? But yeah, if I'm looking for really serious, you know, about business, hindi yung business lang. I'm really looking for talagang mapagkakatiwalaan and have the same